Hello students, let's see the foramen of skull. First we have the cribriform plate. This is cribriform plate, you can appreciate it is bilateral. Then we have optic canal. This is optic canal. Here we have optic canal. Then we have the superior orbital fissure. This is superior orbital fissure, you can appreciate this. This is superior orbital fissure. Then we have foramen rotundum. Here is a foramen rotundum. This small foramen is foramen rotundum. Then we have foramen ovale. This is oval in shape. This is foramen ovale. This is foramen spinosum. Then we have foramen lacerum. This is foramen lacerum. This is foramen lacerum. Then we have internal acoustic meatus. This is internal acoustic meatus, and this is the petrous part of temporal bone. This you can appreciate the petrous part of temporal bone, and here we have internal acoustic meatus, and below this we have jugular foramen. This is jugular foramen, both sides you can appreciate. Then we have hypoglossal canal. Here we have hypoglossal canal. This small foramen is hypoglossal canal. This is hypoglossal canal. And then we have the largest foramen, that is foramen magnum. This is foramen magnum. So now see the nerves that passes through these foramen. The first, the cribriform plate, in which olfactory nerve passes through this. Second, we have optic canal, in which the optic nerve and ophthalmic artery passes through this. Optic nerve and ophthalmic artery. The third is the superior orbital fissure, in which the four structures passes through this. First, oculomotor, trochlear, trigeminal, and abducent nerve. That is cranial nerve number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we have foramen rotundum, in which the mandibular nerve passes. This is the second branch of trigeminal nerve. Then we have foramen ovale, in which the third branch of trigeminal nerve passes, that is mandibular nerve. And also in this foramen there are four structures passes. First is the mandibular nerve, the second is the accessory meningeal artery, third is the lesser petrosal nerve, and fourth is the emissary vein. So you can remember by a mnemonic MALE, that is mandibular nerve, accessory meningeal artery, third is lesser petrosal nerve, and fourth is emissary vein. And from the foramen spinosum we have three structures passes through this. The first is the middle meningeal artery, second is emissary vein, and third is nervous spinosum. So you can learn by the mnemonic MEN, that is middle meningeal artery, emissary vein, and nervous spinosum. And then we have foramen lacerum. It has two parts, the upper part and the lower part. From the upper part, internal carotid artery passes through the upper part, and greater petrosal nerve also passes through the upper part. And from the lower part, the first is emissary vein, and the second is meningeal branch of ascending pharyngeal artery. And now we have the internal acoustic meatus. This is internal acoustic meatus, you can appreciate this. And from this foramen, three structures passes. The first is the facial nerve, the second is the vestibulocochlear nerve, and third is labyrinthine artery. And this is the jugular foramen. From this foramen also three structures passes. The first is the glossopharyngeal nerve, vagus nerve, and accessory nerve, that is cranial nerve number. From jugular foramen three structures passes, that is glossopharyngeal nerve, vagus nerve, and accessory nerve, that is cranial nerve number 9, 10, and 11. And this is the hypoglossal canal. From this canal hypoglossal nerve passes, that is cranial nerve number 12. And this is the foramen magnum, in which five structures passes. The first is the lower part of medulla, the spinal accessory nerve, third is the vertebral artery, fourth is the spinal artery, and fifth is the vertebral venous plexus. So that's it. Thank you.